Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to transfer the Pokemon to the Professor on your Pokemon GO account. So, at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open your Pokemon GO app from wherever it is located. And as you open it, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed, so all you have to do is just wait. And as it loads, we're at this home page as I am. So just look at the middle bottom where you can see that Pokeball and just select that. And as you select it, select the Pokemon option. And just select any of the Pokemon you want to transfer at first. And as you select the Pokemon, again look at your right bottom corner for that 3 bar. And as you do that, you can see the transfer option at the last and just select that. And as you select it, you will get a warning if you are sure or not. If you are sure, just press on yes, but if you are not, press on no. So guys, that's how you transfer the Pokemon to the Professor on your Pokemon GO account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.